Okay, we're doing homework check 10.7 today. Okay, we're starting with problem 1. Well, in this problem, we will get 6x is equal to 3x minus 1 times x plus 1. We then need to times the 3x, so we will get 6x is equal to 3x squared plus 3x minus x plus minus 1, 6x then is going to be equal to 3x squared plus 3x, or 2x minus 1, because you need to add like terms. Then you need to subtract 6x and you will get 0 is equal to 3x squared minus 4x minus 1. Well, then you have your a, b, and c. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to negative 4, and c is equal to negative 1. So now you can use the quadratic equation, which is going to be, for this equation, x equals 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 4 times 3 times negative 1, all over 2 times 3. So then you need to multiply all of them. So you get x is equal to 4 plus or minus 28 all over 6. So then you can get that x is plus the square root. Then you need to split them up into the two equations. So you'll get 4 plus the square root of 28 over 6, and also 4 minus square root of 28 over 6. Then you need to put that into your calculator, and when you put 4 plus the square root of 28 divided by 6, you get 1.548. So one of your x's is going to be 1.548. Then you need to put the other equation into the other answer into your formula, into your calculator, and you will get 4 minus the square root of 28 divided by 6, and you will get negative x is equal to negative 0.215, I believe. So you will have 1.548 is equal to 0.215. Okay, we're now moving on to problem 2. Well, in this one you can say that 3r squared is equal to 12 times 12 plus 2r in parentheses. So you will get 9r squared, because you need to distribute that squared, and you also need to distribute 12, so you will get 144 plus 24r. Well, so you don't get negative 9r squared, you will subtract the other two, so you will get 9r squared minus 24r, but minus 144 is equal to 0. And then you need to use the quadratic equation again, so you will get 24 plus or minus the square root of negative 24 squared minus 4 times 9 times negative 144. All of that is over 2 times 9. Well, then you need to simplify, and you will get 24 plus minus the square root of 5,760 all over 18. Then you need to set up their own equations, and you'll get 24 plus the square root of 5,760 over 18, and 24 minus 5,760 over 18. And then you will use your calculator, and you will get 24 plus the square root of 560 divided by 18 is going to be 5.54. So r is going to equal 5.54. Then you need to find the other one, 5497. And then you need to do the other one, which is going to be 24 minus the square root of 5760. And then divide that by 18, and you will get negative 2.88. So those are your answers for R. Okay, now we are going on to problem 3. In this one, you were trying to find x. So you can say 7 squared is equal to x plus 4 times x minus 1 plus x plus 4. So then you need to distribute. So you'll get 7 squared is equal to x squared, or x plus 4. Sorry, you're supposed to simplify the parentheses first. So you'll get 2x plus 3. Then now you need to distribute and square, and you will get 49 is equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 8x plus 12. Well, then you need to add like terms, and you will get 0 is equal to 2x squared plus 11x minus 37. So then you need A is equals 2, B equals 11, and C equals negative 37. Then you need to use the quadratic equation again, and you will get negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 11 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 37 all over 2 times 2, which is 4. So then you need to use your calculator. You take negative 4 times 2 times negative 37, which is 296. So negative 11 plus or minus the square root of 296 plus 121, which is 11 squared, is then 417 all over 4. Then you need to separate the equations again, and you will get negative 11 plus the square root of 417 over 4, and negative 11 minus 417 over 4. I know. And then when you plug that into your calculator, you will get negative 11 plus the square root of 417 divided by 4. You will get 2.35. And then you need to use the other one, which is negative 11 minus the square root of 417 divided by 4, which is negative 7.855. Okay, moving on to problem 4. In this equation, you can do 12 squared is equal to 6 parentheses 6 plus 2r. You need to distribute and square, so you get 144 is equal to 36 plus 12r. Then you need to subtract 36 to that, and you will get 108 is equal to 12r. When you divide 12, you will get r is equal to 9, so your radius is 9. Okay, we are starting with problem 5 now. So we're trying to find x. So we can say x parenthesis 2x plus 4 is equal to 3 times 13. So when you distribute the x, you get 2x squared plus 4x is equal to 39. And then you get 2x squared plus 4x minus 39, because you need to get it equal to 0. So then you have your a, b, and c values. So you can say that negative 4 plus minus the square root of 16, which is 4 squared, minus 4, 2 times 39, negative 39, all over 2 times 2, which is 4, which then is, when you simplify, you get negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 328, which is that you all added and subtracted together, all over 4, and then you need to set up their own equations, and you get negative 4 plus square root of 328 over 4, and negative 4 minus the square root of 328 over 4. So when you put those into your calculator, you'll get negative 4 plus the square root of 328 divided by 4. You get 3.52. And then when you take the other one, which is negative 4 minus the square root of 328 divided by 4, you get negative 5.52. So your answers are then 3.52 and negative 5.52. Well, that's it for homework check 10.7.